I want to start by, personally and on behalf of the Lakers family, offering condolences to Vanessa Bryant and the entire Bryant family on the loss of Kobe and Gianna. We are all deeply, deeply saddened by this unthinkable tragedy, and our thoughts and prayers are with you. I also want to offer condolences to the families of the other victims that were lost in this tragedy. Our thoughts and prayers are with you as well. And with that, I'll open up for questions.
Coach, how emotional has this been for you and your family at home and your Laker family here?
Extremely emotional on both fronts. It's been something that has touched my family, being the father of daughters. It's been very emotional, and something that brings us together, and then as well as the Lakers family. I'm around the people that were closest to Kobe, throughout his time here, and it's been just a deeply saddening time for all of us.
Frank, can you describe how you broke the news to the team on the plane, and kind of what the sentiment of that moment was like?
For me, I just wanted to make sure everybody knew, and some of them had heard. I've seen the reports. Some had not. So it's just a daunting task of just grabbing each guy one-on-one and letting them know.
Obviously, the NBA canceled that game Tuesday. How do you know when this team can be ready? And you said it's pulled you together. How do you guard against it breaking you apart and losing focus?
I don't think it could break us apart in any way. It's just a feel thing. You observe those around you. You observe your own feelings and emotions, and you proceed at the right pace, at the right time.
Frank, has there been talk about playing this season for Kobe, that sort of thing?
We want to represent what Kobe was about, more than anything. We've always wanted to make him proud, and that's not going to be any different here.
Frank, what did you guys get done yesterday, and what do you think? What kind of work did that do for those guys emotionally?
We did some things that we thought would be therapeutically beneficial. We got in the gym for some team shooting work. No real practice working on anything in particular. I wanted our guys to come in mentally free, but to get a sweat, touch the ball, to be around each other, and then we had a lunch, where we all just spent time together and grieved together.
Coach, speaking on behalf of the Lakers, if you had a chance, what would you tell Kobe Bryant?
I'm not ready to go there. I really not. Some questions I'm not just not gonna be able to answer right now.
Coach, you can never prepare or practice.
Perhaps a favorite Kobe story over the years?
I'm not ready to go there either.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
What have you learned about this team through these last few days and through this tragedy?
Well, it's just strengthened what we've felt all year about our current group, which is, we've become a family in a very short time. And, it's something you talk about in the NBA with your teams, but this group in particular has really grown to love each other very rapidly. And, we understand the importance and the opportunity we have this year, and this has just brought us closer together.
You speak of being a father to.
Sorry, go
You
ahead.
speak of being a father to daughters, knowing how much he loved his daughters and supported women's sports and all beyond. What did that mean to you?
It's just you connect with that, and you feel it, because it's what your life is about. Him being a father to daughters and being involved in their sports was, the most enjoyable thing, in his life, from my observations, and it's the most enjoyable thing in my life. I love being the coach of the Lakers, but it doesn't come close to comparing to my family time, and so it's very relatable.
Frank,
Purple boom.
how have the leaders of your team, LeBron, Anthony, how have they tackled the task of leading this group going forward?
Really the same way they have throughout the year. You know, we've collaborated with them on what the next few days should look like. They've been vocal in terms of just helping the group manage their emotions and get through this.
What did you do after you left the plane on Sunday afternoon?
I went home and hugged my family.
Frank, obviously it's tough to kind of do this with us and answer questions about the last couple of days. Was there sort of discussion with players about you kind of taking this on for them today, or what was the decision process with that?
The decision process is you guys can speak when you're ready and not before.
Last two questions.
Would you say,
Frank, you've been in the
this team
NBA
wants
for 20 years, most of Kobe's career. Just wondered what impact you saw on the other players that you coached for, against, trying to prepare a scouting report, to deal with him, all that stuff.
Well, he was the most feared man in the league for an entire generation, and the influence is profound, league-wide, basketball community-wide, worldwide, Lakers family, wide, and his influence will be felt forever.
Frank, would you say it's fair to say, in addition to wanting to win it for yourselves, you guys now want to win the championship for Kobe? Would that be fair?
We want to represent what he stood for. That's the most important thing for us. We want to represent what he stood for.
Frank, what could Friday's game do for your team, a team full of basketball players to play a game?
I think it's therapeutic. Anytime you can get out and take your mind off of something like this, there's no doubt it will be therapeutic. And just help with the process of us moving forward.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Too?
Last question, Allie. Go ahead. Sorry.
Has that been the case in practice too? That sort of therapeutic.
Absolutely. Everything we've done in terms of being together has been therapeutic. Yep.
Thank you. Thanks, Frank.
Thank you.
Thanks, Frank.